Appendix A, Setting Up Your Development Environment. This chapter covers setting up Java, setting up Docker, setting up Kubernetes, setting up other tools. In this appendix, you'll find instructions for setting up your development environment and installing the tools we'll use throughout the book to build, manage, and deploy cloud-native applications. Section A.1 Java. All the examples in this book are based on Java 17, the latest long-term release of Java at the time of writing. You can install any of the OpenJDK 17 distributions. I'll be using Eclipse Temurin from the Adoptium project, adoptium.net, previously known as Adopt OpenJDK, but feel free to choose another one. Managing different Java versions and distributions on your machine might be painful. I recommend using a tool like SDKman, sdkman.io, to install, update, and switch between different JDKs easily. On macOS and Linux, you can install SDKman as follows.
See this code.
Refer to the official documentation for installation instructions for Windows. Once it's installed, check all the available OpenJDK distributions and versions by running the following command.
See this code?
Then choose a distribution and install it. For example, I can install the latest 17 version of Eclipse Temurin available at the moment of writing as follows.
See this code.
By the time you read this section, newer versions might be available, so please check the list returned from the list command to identify the latest one. At the end of the installation procedure, SDKman will ask whether you want to make that distribution the default one. I recommend you say yes to ensure that you have access to Java 17 from all the projects you build throughout the book. You can always change the default version with the following command.
See this code.
Let's now verify the OpenJDK installation.
See this code.
You also have the option to change the Java version only within the context of the current shell.
See this code.
Finally, if you want to check which version of Java is configured in the current shell, you can do that as follows.
See this code.